What's going on, guys? It's Mike, the automotive junkie, and today is actually one of the biggest charity car show events that we like to go to. Cars4Cause, awesome organization, do a lot of awesome stuff, especially to help people in the car community that need help and need some funds for medical or whatever it may be. It's a really awesome organization, and they do an annual event that is a lot of fun. And of course, we registered for it. I registered, and I was hoping to have the BMW there, but unfortunately BMW is still in the body shop. So today I got to show up in the rental, the Chevy Malibu. It is what it is, but we're gonna see some cool cars. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna raise some money for an awesome cause. Let's go. Guys, we're just showing up here, rolling up in the Malibu. Let's see where we're gonna put this thing. Unfortunately, I don't have my BMW. I'm stuck with this Malibu.
It's all good.
It's all good.
It happens.
We'll make it work.
Do you want to park?
Up towards that corner?
Yes. Let's park. Yeah. Try to park on that side if you can.
All right. No worries.
Thank you.
Yep. Thanks. Hey, you like my car?
Welcome. I like you.
Well,
you can drive a red Flyer wagon. It's all good. We're happy you're here.
Yeah. Well, I was hoping to have the BMW back actually Thursday, and then of course the one part that they got, they couldn't paint, so unfortunately I'm still waiting.
And when you're done, you're gonna see Jay at Modern Elix.
Oh, of course.
They're gonna do the paint protection on your car.
Oh yeah.
And they're our premium sponsor, and without them we couldn't have done all of this. So we appreciate you being here.
Of course. Let's go.
Have fun.
Here you go, guys. This is the JP shop. If you have a Jeep or a truck and you're looking for some lift kits, you want to get it lifted, you want to get some big wheels on it, one of the sponsors here, they do some amazing work. Check out some of these vehicles that are all done up. Another one of the awesome sponsors that's here is the Spring Creek Design Group. These guys are amazing. You could design, build, remodel. I've seen some of the garage builds that they have done. Amazing work. If you're looking for any sort of remodeling or design, you know, want to design a garage or anything like that, give them a call. Got Smokey the Bandit style Trans Am right here. Just entered some awesome raffles at Shaving Grace, new barber shop here. They had some really cool stuff. Who knows, maybe we'll win something. Well, there you have it, guys. There was a little bit of rain early in the day, but then it held off. We just grabbed something to eat, had a good time, checked out all the cars in. We just had a great time here at the Cars4Cause event, Cars4Cause. If you guys want to learn more, I'll leave a link down in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.